Hey, it's Sam with WTI. If you are a Harley Davidson fan, you are gonna love this Ultimate Harley Davidson book. This is by Hugo Wilson, and it is just a beautiful Harley Davidson book. It has all the different years of Harley motorcycles. It tells you the different specifications of each year and each motorcycle. It goes into beautiful detail, and it's just a really fantastic book. It's really nice. There's more than 70 motorcycles in here. It's really nice as a gift. I bought this as a gift for my dad because he is clearly a Harley lover. And he has really enjoyed just browsing through this book and learning some new things about motorcycles over the years. So if you are looking to buy a loved one in your life, something like this, or you are just a Harley Davidson lover yourself, this is a very cool book. And that's my point of view.